The Betta Wire is here, and I'm afraid it's been
9 years. Calm down. Calm down.
But today it's all done, except not quite, because there's one more part that we're going to be cutting today together. Hi, I'm Cooper for Rack Robotics, and today we're burning with the Betta. So the Betta Wire is a desktop 4-axis wire EDM machine. It has a Core X Y-axis on top and a Core X Y-axis on the bottom. That's right up here and right down here. And on the back side, we have sliding tensioner blocks. And go figure, if you don't have anything to actually reinforce this system, you're going to just kind of bust right through that plastic. So on the back of the machine, to help make it stronger and give it a better longevity, maintain that tension, I added a couple of steel reinforcement plates. These are 1 millimeter thick plates that I just cut with some sheet metal shears. And so I was looking at it and I realized I'm gonna have to get these laser cut. You know, that's gonna take me 2 or 3 days. Except wait, no, I have a wire EDM machine, so we're gonna do that right now. Here, let's get this thing filled up with water and start our cut. Now that the Betta Wire is turned on and homed through the Linux CNC terminal, we can turn on the spool motors and actually put wire through the system. Okay, so now we can hear and see the wire moving. So we're just gonna take the wire that we have coming out, excess, and we can gently place it into the wire guide down here, forcing it through until we feel it getting grabbed, yep, I can feel it, by the system. Now you're gonna see that this wire is gonna pull taut. Perfect, and we can hear a slight change in the whir of the motors. Now we know they're under load. We're doing a simple 6 millimeter by 20 millimeter rectangular plate in this 1 millimeter mild steel stock. Now for the code, I'm just running directly on that perimeter, so I make it slightly undersized because of the size of the wire. And I'm running this at around 5 millimeters per minute with the closed loop control software. This can run through the G-code fully forward and backward based on the spark parameters that the Powercore V3 spark generator sends to the controller. And here's the part. Let's take this over to get a better look along with the material that came out of there. So here's the part that we cut out. It took about 10 minutes to get this thing, where it might have taken, I don't know, 5 days to get it from a laser cutting service. And here's where it got cut out from. You know, this is really just amazing to me because I went from having an idea, writing a few simple lines of G code, and then, you know, I have the part in my hands, a solid steel part in my hands, that's going to replace the ugly shear cut part in my machine and do real work for me in about 20 minutes of actual setup and cutting. So if you want to get one of these for yourself, you can go to our website, rackrobo.io. If you want to learn more about what's been going on in the company the past couple months, you can also find our blog there, where I just posted an update the other day. And if you want to see something more like maybe mechanical components out of hardened steel for dynamic pressure vessels, well, you know the buttons to hit to follow along. I'll see you next time.